Hmm. Not very nice, I don't think. I don't like them. I don't like them. Ugh. I don't trust them, to be honest. I can't put myself to eat them. Oh no, you. Look, Addy. And there it is. Ugh. Is that beard? Yeah. Come on over. Take that out. Like a beard. Don't eat that at all. No. Yuck. But the rest of it don't look too bloody good either. Ew. I eat it. Ugh. Yuck. Someone got a beard in it. That yuck. See? I'm going to eat that one now. Oh, Jesus. Hey, Jesus. If a chef had cooked them for me, perhaps I would enjoy them. And if the shells would open properly, I mean properly, they do open, but they don't open enough for my liking. I've already thrown a few away because they wouldn't open properly. I suppose it's like eating a snail, isn't it? Oh, the garlic makes them taste a little bit better. And a bit of butter. And anyway, I'm going to eat it anyway. We'll find out what happens tomorrow morning, eh? Yay! Oh, it's a butterfly. That's it, not playing with my food anymore. I think if I was starving, it wouldn't be so bad. But I'm not starving. I didn't want to waste them. And you can actually cook them straight from the rocks. I saw a video earlier on. But I must say, I used a bit of butter. I squeezed some lemon in with the butter. Oh, I put a tiny little bit of chili powder in it. Chili powder. Not a lot, just a bit. I forgot to put the herbs in. And what else did I use? Oh yeah. Garlic puree. I think I would rather eat sardines, mackerel fillets, pilchards, sardines, pink salmon, nah, not very good. It's chum salmon, I think, isn't it? It's chum. Pink salmon. That's one wild red salmon. Guarantee red salmon. Bella? Wild Pacific salmon. From the Pacific Ocean. Red salmon, tuna, tuna. Sardines in sunflower oil. Then they got sunflower oil. Oops. Oh, sardines in olive oil. I've tried them before. Must be new ones. What's this? Sardines in sunflower oil. See, we eat a lot of fish in this house. Oh, oh, oh. There's some more fish. Small tins. Mackerel sizzle. Skinless and boneless. Wild Pacific salmon fillet. wing fillets times 3. Not as good as what I get, is it? At least I catch mine fresh, not bloody tinned. They'll do. Anyway, that's my video on cooking mussels. Sloppy, blobby mussels.